Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Christine Lee. If you've never watched one of my videos before, I make videos on YouTube and I will go ahead and put my channel down below. It is just youtube.com/Christine Lee. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. And I actually picked up everything that I used for this look from Fred Meyer. So if you guys are interested in trying out the same products that I use in this video, you can go ahead and go to your local Kroger family of stores. Most of the stuff should be available there. This is kind of a look that I would do for kind of a more formal event, and I'm actually going to a dinner party, so this is something that I put together that is fun and fresh but still a little bit glam. Anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing this look, please go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in a little bit and I went ahead and did my brows. Just because my brows take me forever, I'm going to start off with some skincare. I'm going in with my Cetaphil Oil Control Moisturizer, and I have been using this stuff for a really long time. I love this moisturizer because it does a really good job of controlling my oils, and it also doesn't break me out, and it also has an SPF of 30, which I love. I'm just going to take like a good nickel-sized amount and pat it into my face. Now that we have all the skincare on, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. We are going to be using the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. And I just love the colors in this palette. Everything is just so pretty and peachy and warm. I'm going to go in with this transition color right here and blend it into the crease and kind of smoke it out. And then I'm just going to start here in the outer corner and slowly start blending it into my crease. So just continuing to blend that out and making sure that all the edges are really blended. And then I'm going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and kind of clean up those edges. And then here, I'm just going to take my finger and kind of swipe up and kind of clean up that line. I'm going to go ahead and take this red color and pack that onto the center of my lid. And I love this eyeshadow because it has like these really pretty gold reflects in it. It brings a lot of dimension to the eye. And then I want the eye to be a little bit more brighter, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up this gold color, and I'm just going to pick that up with my ring finger. And then just pack that onto the very center of my lid to bring some of the brightness back to the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and deepen the outer V a little bit and pack on a little bit of this dark brown up here. Just going to pick up a little bit of that, pack that right on my lash line, and that helps to bring some dimension into the eye and accentuate my lash line a little bit. So that is what the eyes look like. And then I'm going to go in with my lash curler, and this one is from Shiseido. Next, I am using my Maybelline The Falsies Mascara, and I'm just going to put a light coat. So starting off, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Golden Beige. So I always reach for this whenever I have something big that I know I'm going to take photos for. And then I'm just going to put a little bit on the center of my face. And then I like to leave my forehead, and then when I'm blending my face, I'm just going to bring it up to my forehead just because I don't like using a lot of foundation up there. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and I love this sponge. I've been using this for years, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out the foundation. Okay, now that that is all blended in, I'm going to go in next with my concealer. I have here the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. So I picked it up in the color CW05, and then I'm going to take CW04 and conceal the rest of my face. Then going back in with my Real Techniques sponge to blend that all out. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 10, and I have loved this setting powder for a really long time. Next, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild bronzer in the color You're Dragging Me Down. And I'm going to start here by my temples, and then I'm slowly building it up. And I have a little e.l.f. eyeshadow brush here. It's transition color that we used earlier, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that padding. Going in with my Milani Baked Powder Blush in the color Rose d'Oro. And I've had this blush for a really long time. It's one of my old favorites. Then I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. Put some on the high points of my cheekbone. Okay, so that looks really pretty. That is the finished skin. This is the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Liner in the color Keep It Spicy. And I picked this up today and I just fell in love with the colors. And then I'm going in with the Spurt Bees lip color that I picked up today. The color Suede Splash. This is what it looks like. Just so pretty. I love how smooth and creamy it is too, and the color is just like amazing. I'm going to go ahead and throw on the Sally Hansen gel polish. And this is in the color Frill Seeker, so I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on my nails, and I'm going to change it to my outfit that I'm going to wear tonight, and I will be right back. And I just got back from doing my nails, and this is what the color looks like. This item is the Kroger Sapphire Nail File, and I really like this one. I think I'm probably gonna pop it in my purse, but that was really great for really sharpening up the shape of my nails. And then I also picked up this nail file. This is the medium number 180 and it came with 2. And it was super affordable, and I really like the coarseness of this. I feel like it helped to file and shape my nails really nicely. And then I am going to wear an off-the-shoulder long sleeve top, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotion on top. And I'm just going to put it on top of my shoulders so we can get that glowy skin. So now that that is all patted in, if you wanted, you can just leave the look like this, and it is still really glam. And me personally, I would just put a little bit more mascara on the ends of my lashes, and I could be out the door. I just want to glam it up just a little bit more. I have here the Ardell Faux Mink Lashes in the style 818, and this one I did trim a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and also trim this one. We have our lashes on, and I love how the eyes and the skin turned out. We also have our nails did, and my skin is super glowy from that Nivea moisturizer. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup video, and if you did, please make sure you check me out on YouTube. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the Kroger family of stores to pick up some makeup and skincare goodies to help you get ready for your next holiday party. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.